How to recover disabled Instagram account. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can recover back the account that was being disabled of yours. So this is very simple. So since you no longer have access into your account, then you will not be able to do anything from the app. So what you're going to have to do is to simply use your web browser. Now from the box, you simply type in disabled Instagram account. Now, at the very first instance, as of 2026, they are actually providing a specific information or a troubleshooting step guide for you to be able to how you can redeem them. But here's the most effective way of doing it. Scroll down and then choose on about disabled Instagram accounts. Now, once you hit that, you will automatically be redirected into Instagram Help Center. And then from here, scroll down once again and then choose on how to regain access. Now from here, just simply close this temporarily, and your main goal is to locate and find the account that you're trying to retrieve. Just simply follow these on-screen prompts, and then you should be able to recover your account. And that's it. That's how you recover disabled Instagram account.